We definitely hear a woodpecker. Where? I want to find this woodpecker. Where did he go? There's a plaque in front of it.
How did this pyramid look though?
Like a legit Egyptian pyramid is what the base used to look
I
like.
wonder if we can find an old picture. I just can't believe it.
Yeah, it really did look like that. All right, oh, we're so close. You think it's in this tree?
I think so. It has to be.
Okay.
It's old enough.
Oh, I see him. He's straight up.
Where?
Is that him right there? I don't know. Straight above my head? Or is that just another weird branch? Oh, he's in this.
He's in this son of a gun.
He's in this tree.
Look at this cat. Look at this cat.
I know.
What's everyone doing?
This giant cat. Oh my. The sounds of a woodpecker.
Look, this is where we need to swing.
Within our tree. Our old tree at Bradley Park. This tree is probably from 1900s.
Look at the little place to sit.
It's so loud. He's telling us, come find me. It's a scavenger hunt. I want to see that big giant kitty. That's not a typical kitty. That's a giant kitty. Ew, I hope he doesn't get hit by a car to come see me. Wow. Monster. Sylvester, come see me. Hello. Hello, gorgeous kitty. Well, how are you today? Is your name Sylvester? Because if it's not, it should be. Oh my goodness. Do you hear that woodpecker? I heard a woodpecker.
He's like, you don't catch that woodpecker, he's gonna bite him.
What do you want to show us? Show us something. What you got?
I think this is...
You say hello? Hi. Hello. Oh. Say, this is my park. Oh, yeah.
Okay.